Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. Today we are continuing with the Sewing Bee quilt by Jillily Studios. We are on star blocks E and F. Star block E looks like that. We're going to have the double flying geese and a 4-patch in the center. And in the first video I went over the cutting and we made packets, so I just pulled out my packet for star E. And I've got everything set up, ready to go. So now I just head straight to the sewing machine. Okay, we've got all the pieces to our block. We've got the 4-patch that goes in the center. The flying geese right there, and 4 of those will be the corners. So let's do the 4-patch first. We're just going to put these 2 right sides together, opposite fabrics. We're going to sew, press them open, then we will put them right sides together again and sew again. If you press to the same fabric, then when you flip it over, they will nest. Get it nice and snug. And you have your 4-patch. Now for the flying geese, we're going to take our print and 2 whites. We're going to put the white on first. And again, I'm using the sew line tape instead of marking from corner to corner, as in the other videos. Then I'm going to press that. Press and then trim so that there's at least a 1/4 inch. Okay, now we're going to take 2 of our prints and we're going to go over our flying geese, but upside down. So we're going to turn it over. And the previous one went this way, so now we're going to go this way. Okay, we'll get the other one and do the same thing. And we'll press and trim. And there we have a double flying geese. So let me get the others made and then we'll put the block together. Okay, I've got the flying geese done, so now we can put our blocks together. The green will go towards the center, whatever print you choose. The white goes to the outside. Those are the corners. And now we just make rows, and then we attach the rows to make a block. Okay, I'm going to press these towards the center this way and these towards the corner blocks. Now when we put the rows together, they will nest. Okay, and there we have it, star block E with the double flying geese and the 4-patch. Now let me get the rest of those finished and then I will show them to you. Okay, I've got all the star E blocks done. I kind of like these ones. So now we can work on the star F, and this is my last batch of stars. And this is star F, and it's got the double flying geese with those corners on it. So they've all been kind of the same thing, just a little different variation. So let me get to the sewing machine. I'll show you how to make one, and then I'll go off camera, make the others, and show you the rest. Okay, I've got the pieces for the corner here. This is for the double flying geese, and this is our center. So we've done all of this before. Just going to put the small piece with the print, and I'll press this towards the white. Then we're going to add the longer piece. Okay, and there we have our corner piece. And for the double flying geese, we're going to start with the white. We're going to put that on one side and go from corner to corner using the sew line tape. I'm going to press that up and then trim. And we're going to do the same to the other side. Okay, there we have our flying geese. Now to make it a double flying geese, we'll turn it upside down. Get our two prints. Do the same thing, but we'll go from this corner to the opposite side. Press and trim. There we go. Oops, I forgot to trim. Okay, and there is our flying geese, our double flying geese. So let me get these others made and I will be back. Okay, I have the other pieces finished. Just going to put it so the white is on the outside and the print is towards the center. There we go. And now we will just piece it all together. Okay, I press the top and the bottom towards the corners and the middle towards the center. And then when I put the rows together, I will press, I think I will press towards the center. And there we have our star block F. So let me get the others made and then I will show them to you. Okay, I've finished with the star F blocks. They turned out pretty good. Now all the stars are done. What's left is the tulips, daisies, hydrangeas, garden blocks, sashing, and assembly. So we just finished week 6 and 7. So I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.